He walks a line both wide and thin, a world without and one within. Two levels call with gentle sound, a bridge where both truths can be found. The outer world calls him to grow through choices made and tasks below. The inner world invites him near through quiet thought and truth sincere. He learns to see with double sight, a view of shadow and of light. His heart can walk in realms combine, a deeper way to shape his mind. At times he feels a split inside, two roads that seem to coincide, yet each one teaches in its way, a lesson built to guide his day. He learns that spirit meets the ground in every breath, in every sound. Two planes exist in steady flow, a dance of life he comes to know. He learns to see with double sight, a view of shadow and of light. His heart can walk in realms combined, a deeper way to shape his mind. Dual paths can join when hearts align, a balance found in the divine. He trusts the pull of what is real in both the thoughts he senses